Well guys, it is currently 6:47 the night before Saturday, the day that I go fishing with this guy. I'm going to be doing a challenge with him. No live bait, cast and reel. No cheating. What's on the line is $1. Not that hard of a competition. We're going to be going for bass, only bass count. So if you catch a walleye, you don't get any points.
Or northern or any other species.
Only bass count. I can't guarantee that we're going to catch any bass, but we're going to try. He's going to tell you all about his rig, and then I'll go get mine.
My setup here. Okay, so I have a nice little IM7 here, okay? Like this, right here, IM7. And it comes with a normal Shields Outfitters reel on it. Just stock reel, okay? I currently have a top water crankbait on here, as you guys can probably see, with a good old weight on it, because I don't really fish top water very often. That's my rod and reel setup. Oh, it also has, I think it's Suffix. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I think it's 362 orange, as you guys can see. And then I'll take his camera here and bring it over here. Oops. And bring it over here to my tackle box setups, okay? So, okay, let me see that. So here is my Botten bass tackle box. Little weights, nice little stanko there, and I have just rigged up this beautiful 10-inch twister-tailed stanko here. It's just a normal, like, I don't know what to call it, like a murky stanko. Stepdad's pick up there. Don't really want to hurt it. Okay, I got some, I don't know exactly what to call this, like a starter Lindy with some nice chrome hooks on it. My pink and red bobbers here.
This is cast and reel. Can't use any bobbers.
You can. So I got my nice little stringer here, a couple jigs, twister tails, of course. As I flip this over, I got some spinners here, just like this. Then I got some laser sharp, color assorted eagle claw hooks that I got here for Christmas.
Hurry it up. I need to do my time lapse.
Shut up. Got some gulp. I don't know exactly what this is. Got a floater. I don't know exactly what to call these. Got some these. Got weights, Lindies. I got that. A good old tackle box here. And I got my other tackle box, which I should not be using because it's my Lindy box. And let's see if I have anything else in here. Oh, nice little shotgun shell here. Can't really use it, but nice. Nice to have at least. And then I got some nice fire line, which I won't be using at all because I don't really like fire line. And then, oh yeah. 'Cause I'm drowning in myself.
got my 10-inch Senko twister tail bass hook, easy setup. I got my Fenwick Eagle 13 reel, not bad. Not a bad combo. Then I have just something that I threw together real quick. When I say real quick, I mean real quick. I threw it together in my time lapse. Got my infrared reel with my Shields Azura rod, 5 foot, my Fenwick 7 foot, and I'm pretty pumped. I think I'm gonna beat Braden, honestly. So yeah.
Hurry up! I
Hope
need
to
my
see you
video
guys
to be
tomorrow.
done.
Hope to see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, it's currently 6:12, morning of Saturday, morning of fishing. Wish we could have got up earlier, but hey, heading to the lake right now. Hey guys, well, we're back. Not getting much luck at this lake. I'll be honest. We got here about a couple hours ago. Not catching much. You can see, just got my rod. Going to pop roll recording real quick. See if I can get a good picture. Probably got the audio if it's really, really windy. Like 20 to 30 miles an hour windy. Still, the challenge must go on. My brother is like over there. He's pretty far away. But yeah, let me just pull this in. I changed it up from that Senko to popper, hula popper on. Fishing in the shallows. Pretty shallow along the banks. He's using the same thing, just a bit different color. All we're doing is just casting it out there. So, goes in the bail, doing it and popping it, letting it go with the waves, sit there for a minute, reel. You gotta reel real slow though. You can just kind of see it splash. It's really bad today, sorry about that, guys. See that splash? That was my good just waiting for Bob to come up to get it and wait. So I'm gonna see if we can get anything. Was not successful. We're packing up now. Just going back up there and see what else we can get. Not successful at all. Not even nibbles. Just a casting reel. Shallow is not the way to go. Super windy.
Hey guys, so earlier I had a northern on. I casted it out just over there, and it somehow drifted that way, and then the northern came up and bit it, like right, like when the northern bit it, it was like right there, almost like that. So I've been just kind of fishing these cattails with this lure here on my IM7 rod, which I showed you guys yesterday. And earlier I was fishing on the other side of this little island here. And I was switching out all my different lures and stuff. And I didn't get any luck there. So I came back here. Our friends were just fishing here. They stole my spot, just like the cameraman. And I got really mad, so I was fishing like literally right beyond that tree. And
That was a carp.
no, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was. Really, look at that. It's carp.
No, it wasn't. I saw you real. But so that's what I have been doing. And now, since I got told by that guy right there behind the camera. No, behind the camera. Behind the camera. That the bass light has been on. And this is a pretty good bass lure here.
Look at all those carp jumping.
Austin, you're gonna have to cut that out.
What? What? Look at that bass jump.
So I've just been. Okay, I'm done now.
Sometimes you gotta bleed to know that you're alive and have a soul. But it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's the tear in my heart. I'm alive. She's the tear in my heart. I'm on fire. She's the
Update on fishing out here. Still using the same rig as I was. About, 15, half an hour, something like that. 15 minutes to half an hour. Go, no bites, no nothing. I think I'm gonna go over to a beachy area over there. We fished there once. We caught a couple drum, carp, stuff like that. I think I'm gonna try over there, but see how that works. What I've been doing is just working my way around here, and I'm going to this little spot that I told you guys about that I was going to go to. Got nothing coming around, but I didn't stay very long in here. I'm gonna stay a little while. Hopefully we can get something. We'll see if we can. Hey guys, quick update, 5:30, about we're leaving around 6. They're packing up right now. We're just doing our last few casts. Each of us haven't caught a fish that we can confirm. He caught a fish, a northern, but it was unconfirmed by me or anyone else. He says he had it in his hands and stuff like that, but
Slipped out of my hand. I swear to God.
slipped out of his hands, but we couldn't verify it that it was a northern and he caught it, so we're not going to count it. And yeah, so also I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below to my Instagram. You guys should all go follow, and we are gonna do a few more challenges like Barbie rods and frogs on the river.
You think it'll be frogs? It's a mystery rod versus mystery bait, because that guy right there will be picking out the rods, and me, I will be picking out the baits. And if our mom starts feeling better next week, we might be able to go down to the river or something and do that. So stay tuned and I'll get that to you.
Alright. See you guys later.